Ner malaka nam kana diala kontin barwanya lingwa semeka Nuer online TV channel. Ban jo me ban jelin kel jo mishalat kume dung so Sudan kene kume mɛrkɛmɛ. Lat kene no de kan Dr. Machar kene bolmel de kan gwasken de kan ka gwach. Bolmel chaje sanction ne ka Dr. Machar telwa yena re wi ka juba kene de Dr. Machar de je lony misha bolmel cha sanction de chaje konwoch mɛrkɛmɛ ban jo me ban jelingo gwa ka do badana che to ko je gore je no biya tika ngai ketin kono lat kerodien no na me jo me chalat kume US wasi kan logo no bi kan request me chato be kume South Sudan chikan logo no bi kan alat chaga tije no chi kume South Sudan che kume mɛrkɛmɛ chaga tije no de yen Dr. Machar de yen alwak ano ke woidun ke sanction andana chalat ka bolmel ko bolmel chaje gorno te ke tibo ko krar la kwa dial asset ne ke chaga kep kan dial ana lo jen me lingen ne jen ne cha kwa ka chaga kep nyok chaje den no bala kwere wi ka so Sudan ti me ngai kona ko rami dia kwere wi jamo la sanction danen micha mo ke sanction ke chaje kap chongo win mondo dien che ku mɛrkɛmɛ nyu jen wo ramma mo che dem na kwer me dong chaje de kwen ijen legitimate leader a chang chaje kwanya la kwer de je logo win mon right now ne me charo ti me shang enta me chatugo no charo de kular ntem ka jo me chalat wati ken kume mɛrkɛmɛ no woje sanction ga bolmel ka bene Dr. Machar bene lo nyere ti jen ban jo me ban je linkel ka do badan en chalat ke ja ken yam biya je linka to kawaini ka kore yo ba je ulat madan le rode en ban madan le rode gwas me ban je linkel ka tadan en chaje non ka ja. The United States has said no to a request from the South Sudan government. Juba asked the U.S. to remove sanctions on Benjamin Bolmel, a top government official, and to help with the arrest and trial of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Riek Machar is now under our arrest. Ngayen mandan lehro do kwasme kume South Sudan chicken kume dung mɛrkɛmɛ chicken jogono de Bolmel de je watch ka sanction la sanction dan cha kam de je wutin no misiane loko babul med ba je ka sanction no de ne Dr. Machar de ne watch reti jen ka jodan ci kanalat. According to US news site called Politico, South Sudan offered to take back more South Sudanese deportees from the United States in exchange for help with their demand. The report said this information came from secret letters, and people who know about the talk, their name were not shared because the issue is sensitive. Jordan jikalat gwasme kene gorkano de ne diala kontin lat kano ide deport rewika South Sudan lat kano lotin de deport ka mɛrkɛmɛ de kul nang rewika South Sudan kene shaga de deport kene mishijen de ne Dr. Machar de ne lony so ne ti shaga de lelde shaga de nong rewika South Sudan jen Jordan lat kene ko ngai kon restriction dan lat ke kume mɛrkɛmɛ kan ka kume dung South Sudan. In April 2025, the U.S. Treasury Department decided to renew sanctions on Bolmel and his company called Winner Construction Company Limited. These sanctions were first placed in December 2017 during Donald Trump's presidency. Other companies connected to Bolmel were also targeted, including Thai South Sudan Kuäär Aggregate and Building Material Company ABMC, Omen Away Limited. The U.S. said these companies were involved in corruption and misuse of public money. Milin kono magwas me nguri shala me Bolmel wajen take a company ne tungware wika South Sudan kan company to wa kan chikati jeki kan kalat ka jo dan shalat kume mɛrkɛmɛ company men cha look kume mɛrkɛmɛ ki men cha wuch no tin kontilla company ni tin tishod Bolmel ten company men yam amichala Thai South Sudan Kuäär namo dung Bolmel chagor no de namo derteten ko company Bolmel chagu no company mijak company men do dien men cha nyogo mugeke ku mɛrkɛmɛ company michal ke aggregate and building material company michal ABMC mo dung Bolmel ba so company michalok company men do dien Oman Away Limited ke company ke kan compantity wa kan chika corruption kan lat ka chika public man chikan ka misuse ka jodan chalat ka jan do badan en kwajala sanction ga en kume dung bol mel ki man wudo gorga men o dele la kware wi ka South Sudan bol mel charge sanction ba but right now lim kan kume mɛrkɛmɛ en wo de bol mel de sanction de je wuj inak chenko de dakre machar de jelon aken ala jendi manda na gui ken men kam kana international community tana jo me chan jemilin kel banyok other requests from South Sudan, a team led by Foreign Minister Monday Semaya Kumba went to Washington recently. They asked the US to remove visa ban on South Sudanese citizens. Number 2, reopen a blocked bank account in the US to help South Sudan to do business in US dollar. Number 3, support the trial of Riek Machar, who has been detained since March. Jo mishit kaname en Kuumɛ South Sudan chicken Kuumɛ mɛrkɛmɛ chicken ga jogo no nena ngai kono no tegun mishal ke minister Monday foreign minister la ramdan la let kamar kamwini wajen chara ke Kuumɛ United States no nena ne ka gwade dan la visa ne tela jen meram jen South Sudan we mɛrkɛmɛ la randa we barante me chaka ban ke chaka kapcho ke tin chago jen wo South Sudan che korapolong no anyok chicken tije no de yena mo de yena remove de yena jaga jajal anyok kan tikan ga banga kan re we mɛrkɛmɛ en banga kan mo tiyo tikatin wa dung South Sudan ba lo de South Sudan de kan business de kan kulat ke US ke de kan business chulat ke US dollar bana mo cha kapchong kan chok yo kan wodi en ka reopen nyok de en lemne man de en kan nena gone de en lok ke dakre machar gwade cha de yen tin ka pai de ko gwade dan go de jelon mi sha titine shaka lat ko ngai kone gwano laman gorkana kani nak chenko ba dakre machar bajulun yen biatiti biaga kon lalet tiken Kuumɛ mɛrkɛmɛ na me ajen jo dan le roden tama no chan na milling kel bene. The Trump administration refused all of South Sudan's requests. This shows that the US still does not trust the South Sudan government. Relations between the two countries are not good. This is because of South Sudan civil war, report of bad leadership, human rights abuse, and no. Namo jan rob dana wa chicken go region or they can tidiala titin char request Kuumɛ South Sudan they can kalat no can look ane no chicken yo tijino nene and why was Machar arrested name bo tij mi we Canadian angu mi Riek Machar mi yan ke jemo ano ko de ko na ngaje no Riek Machar cha yen loro bang yan je guantere ne kirmi yadi ngai kon lat ko din no kirmi yadi che gorno de dak Riek Machar der te ka tilla dere wi ka South Sudan adwala ke Riek Machar akani angum yan ke dak Riek Machar. Dak Riek Machar is the leader of the SPLM-IO, the main opposition group. He was arrested after fighting broke out in March between the White Army and Nuer ethnic group said to support him and government soldiers, and this was also denied. Name mishala do an yin Dak Riek Machar do be ran ci korci to ko je mishala do wo ci tok ba an wo de Dak Riek Machar de yen ke je ka ku jarol ko me dan shanak kon tam ni na me chala do jen chamal ci yar mal dan en de no ngre wi ka South Sudan en yen de Dak Riek Machar will make the 2018 peace agreement that stopped much of the war in South Sudan. His arrest is now a big problem for the peace deal. Many people, including those from other countries in the region, are now asking the South Sudan government to free Machar, but the government has not made a clear decision yet. Machar wache koridi de dana che toge 2013 wache che kapcho ge 2018 meche mal che jenok ko jara medane kumal ku jenok me wore wich no awan we yan je tama wa jermal ka re wich ka South Sudan ne tu man long tama wing mon kelew a che South Sudan karwada wa shulkan no cholkan Kuumɛ man wa ke kim yadi den wo jin lony Dak Riek Machar mala bere wi ka South Sudan duno Kuumɛ kana janno ko mishirka no mashu man tam jamina yan tamalet ka request ni cholkan Kuumɛ mɛrkɛmɛ no lony wude shalkame Dr. Benjamin Bolmel aweke sanction dan te ke ko jan chaja kapchong no wal ko jan ramjek jadi jek chegalat che kwakron wan che ka yar okay The United States are saying no to a request from the South Sudan government. Juba asked the US to remove sanctions on Benjamin Bolmel, a top government official, and to help with the arrest and trial of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Riek Machar is still under arrest, and they demand the action, and which the United States reject. Ajen jawadan chala da me ci kume mɛrkɛmɛ ci kan logo no bika sanction bukan wo ka Dr. Bolmel mala Vice President. Lat ke je ko goro je no Bolmel bala kwar ci kola no Bolmel wo te cha sanction chali wi ke je ko mɛrkɛmɛ tara do mi ba kwar ba je ke jan. Ajen jawadan ngore de nyoga yekel nyoga je ne de ko ken an biata ka mal babay.